Hey everyone, if you want to run code closer to your users for faster response times and improved performance, Vercel Edge Functions are a powerful solution. In this video, I'll show you how to use Vercel Edge Functions from start to finish in 2026. Inside the function file, write the code that will handle incoming requests. Keep the logic lightweight and efficient because Edge Functions are designed for fast execution. You can use Edge functions to inspect requests, modify responses, check user locations, handle authentication flows, and customize content before it reaches the browser. If your function requires configuration values such as API keys or secrets, store them securely using Vercel environment variables rather than hard-coding them into your application. After writing your function, test it locally if your framework supports local Edge runtime testing. Once everything is working correctly, commit your changes and push them to your Git repository. Vercel will automatically build and deploy the updated project, including your Edge functions. And that's how to use Vercel Edge functions in 2026. By processing requests closer to your users, Edge functions can improve performance, reduce latency, and create faster, more responsive web applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.